They told us almost no sunlight has reached this place for more than 100 years. And today, we were about to see it with our own eyes.
There it was, the Titanic. Not in photographs, not in history books, but right in front of us. Silent, waiting.
After all these years, time had stopped here. Every surface, every shadow, waiting to be discovered. Every object felt like someone had just left, except more than a century had passed.
That's when something changed. Not outside, inside my own mind. Every shadow looked alive.
I wasn't afraid of the Titanic. I was afraid of losing my way inside it.
Then, I saw it. The light. I'd never been happier to see. We were leaving, but somehow, it felt like the Titanic would always stay with me. Some places are more than history. They remind us how small we really are, and why some stories should never be forgotten.